Let's all say hello to brand new 2025 Ram 1500. Ram is rocking us like a hurricane by unveiling the facelifted 1500, which features revised styling, an upgraded interior, and an all-new twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-six. Starting with the latter, the Hurricane engine replaces the iconic Hemi V8 and will be offered in two outputs. The entry-level variant produces 420 horsepower and 460 of torque, while the high-output engine develops 540 horsepower and 521 of torque. Both are a sizable improvement over the old 5.7-liter V8, which was rated at 395 horsepower. It's also worth noting the output of the base Hurricane engine is identical to the 6.2-liter V8 in the Chevrolet Silverado. Besides being impressively powerful, Ram said the twin-turbo engine has been designed to deliver enhanced fuel economy and fewer emissions. We'll learn numbers closer to launch, but more power and more MPGs is a winning combination. The engine lineup also includes a familiar 3.6-liter Pentastar V6. Ram didn't mention any changes, so it should continue to offer 305 horsepower and 271 of torque. Besides a new heart, the 2025 Ram 1500 has a sleeker, more aerodynamic appearance. The changes are largely focused on the front end, where the model has been equipped with slender headlights that now flow into the grille. Speaking of which, the grille is larger and more forward-leaning for a bold, heroic presence. 8 different versions of the grille will be available, and they'll help onlookers distinguish between trims such as Tradesman, Laramie, Rebel, and the all-new Tungsten. The latter variant has a mesh and bar design, while all models have a Ram badge that now sits higher up in the grille. Additional changes are limited, but the truck has been equipped with new taillights that have a jeweled appearance, as well as a more three-dimensional look. Buyers will also find a newly available power open and close tailgate with obstacle detection technology. Luxury trucks have exploded in popularity, and Ram is looking to cash in with a range-topping Tungsten trim. It features an indigo and sea salt interior with a suede-wrapped headliner and quilted Natura plus leather front seats. The latter have 24-way power adjustment, 4-way power headrests, as well as heating, ventilation, and massage functions. They're joined by metal pedals, a dual wireless smartphone charger, and an ultra-premium Klipsch reference Premier audio system with 23 speakers. Since Ram bills the truck as their most technologically advanced model yet, it shouldn't be surprising to learn it comes with a new active driving assist system. It's a hands-on-wheel and eyes-on-road, Level 2 semi-autonomous driving system that combines adaptive cruise control with lane centering to make long-distance trips more relaxing. Buyers looking for something more advanced can get the hands-free driving assist system. It's similar to Blue Cruise and Super Cruise as it offers hands-off driving at all speeds. That being said, drivers will need to pay attention to the road ahead, and the system will monitor them to ensure they're not distracted. Customers will also find an onboard power inverter, which can provide up to 2 kilowatts of juice. It's delivered to 2 outlets in the bed, and this allows owners to power everything from tools to televisions for work or play. The 2025 Ram 1500 will arrive at dealerships early next year, and it will be built at Sterling Heights Assembly in Michigan. Pricing will be announced closer to launch, but we wouldn't be surprised if it costs more than the current model, which begins at $38,570.